Alright guys, so it's your boy NH House here, and today's tutorial video is going to be on CPA marketing, guys. CPA marketing, and today I want to share with you a black hat method that you guys can start using to start making money through CPA marketing, of course. So basically you can see here on my CPA group account. Let me just reload this. You can actually see here on my CPA group account, and you can actually see how much I've made today, and just the same method I've used, that's the same method I want to share with you guys. So basically, if you follow this method, all right, if you follow this method precisely, I told you, you too can start making money through CPA marketing. And I want to say something here. This is a disclaimer, guys. Please, this is a black hat method. Please, I want you to be very sure that you are ready to follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. All right, I want you to watch, all right, and follow the steps. If you feel this is too huge for you to do, I actually tell you to skip this video, all right, and maybe in my next other videos you're going to be learning some other method that can be suitable for you. All right, so with that all said, guys, let's jump into this tutorial video. So if you're new on my channel, my name is NH House, and basically what I do on my channel here is to teach you guys legit ways on how to go about making money every single day with your smartphone, even with a laptop or whatever device you're using. You can still make money online, and that's the reason why I actually pulled up my YouTube channel to teach people different methods and different ways on how to go about making money online. So if that interests you, what you want to do right now is that you subscribe to the channel. All right, subscribe to the channel so that whenever I release a new video like this or better ones, you can be notified by YouTube, and you can also watch the video and do everything I've talked about in the video for you to start making money for yourself. So today's tutorial video is going to be on how to make money with CPA marketing here in Nigeria. Whatever country you are from, it is possible for you to make money online through CPA marketing. And this video is going to be a black hat method, guys. It's going to be a black hat method you guys can start doing every single day to make money for yourself. So I want you to do something for me right now. If you are yet to hit the subscribe button, please make sure you do that by hitting the subscribe button and also giving this video you're watching a like. So I'll be so much happy if you guys do that for me. So now let's just carry on. So basically, CPA marketing is all about you promoting, an offer. All right, it's actually you promoting an offer either for a company or for an individual, and whenever someone takes an action, all right, whenever somebody takes an action, you get paid for it. And sometimes offers can be that you need people to sign up with their email addresses. Sometimes offers can be like you need people to put in their credit card or their debit card details. All right, those are offers that you want to do, and whenever you get someone to complete such offer, you make money for yourself. So over the past few months and years now, I've been making use of CPA grip, guys, and actually I love CPA grip because every single now and then I'm always with new ideas, I'm always with new method on how to go about making money through the platform. So I want you to do the same for yourself. We have a whole lot of different CPA marketing network. We have CPA grip, all right, we have Max Bounty, also we have CPA lead. So if you want to see videos on how to make money with all these sites, all right, I want you to subscribe. All right, if you subscribe, it's actually going to be telling me that you really want to watch a video, or you want to see me doing some things here with all the CPA marketing network. So we have a whole lot of CPA marketing network, all right, but for me, I make use of CPA grip. So regardless of the CPA network that you are using, either you're making use of Max Bounty, CPA lead, or CPA grip, you can still be making money online using this black hat method that I'm about to teach you. Very simple. So now that I've given clarity on what CPA marketing is and some of the platforms you can be using, what I want you to do right now is to go and sign up with one of them. So maybe you want to try out CPA grip. Of course, I love CPA grip, so you can actually try out CPA grip. If you want to, you can try out CPA grip. If you actually want to use Max Bounty, so it's the same for you. You can actually make use of Max Bounty here. If you want to make use of CPA lead, it's the same thing. All you have to do is to come over to cpalead.com to create your own free account. And guys, obviously it is absolutely for free. You are paying no money with any of the CPA marketing network I just talked about right now. So now let's just get into work. So after you've actually created your account on any CPA marketing network that you want to use, for me, for this tutorial video, I'm going to be making use of CPA grip. So it is very simple. All you have to do is come over to cpagrip.com. all right, you can see this is cpagrip.com platform, and all you have to do is basically is for you to create your free account. And yes, you can create an account whatever country you are from, so you have no restrictions. You have no restrictions if you're from Nigeria, Bangladesh, USA, Canada, Cameroon, Australia, South Africa, it doesn't really matter. You can create your own free account on the cpagrip network and you can start making money online for yourself. So once you actually create your account on the cpagrip network, you're going to be having access to a dashboard that looks like this. So this is your dashboard here, and of course you have no money here, right? You have no money. So this is actually a brand new account dedicated for this video. So you have no money here, and I want to teach you how you can start making money with this brand new cpa grip new account. So very simple. All we have to do is that we get offers that we can start promoting to make money online for ourselves. But random videos will tell you to just come up and pick offers that you can start promoting to make money for yourself. But guys, remember I told you from the onset that this is a black hat method. This is a black hat method, and if you do what I'm about to teach you right now, you can start making a whole lot of money for yourself. So if you're happy with what I'm saying, if you're happy you want to learn this, please make sure you subscribe and also give this video you're watching a like. So now let's just carry on. All right, I want to do something quickly. All what I have to do right now is to come over to Google, all right, and maybe I want to search for something, all right, that I can basically look, all right, something I can give to people, all right, in exchange for their email addresses, in exchange for their whatever thing the company wants me to get from them. So basically what I want to do is to come over to Google and search for something like video downloading websites. All right, this is actually a black hat method, and I want you to follow me. So I'm going to be searching for things like video downloading website. For you, it can be anything. It can be ebooks, it can be anything, but for me, I want to deal more with website, and I'm going to be teaching you why I'm making use of website. So for me, all I have to do is at least pick up to 3 to 4 different video downloading website. For you, it can be music downloading website. For you, it can be picture downloading website. Whatever kind of website you want to make use of, I'm going to be telling you the reason why we need all this website. So I'm just going to get some of this website here. I'm going to get their URL, and we'll continue on with the next phase. So I want to get this URL first. I'm going to copy this URL address. All right, once I copy this URL address, I'm going to come over to my Google Docs, all right, and I'm going to paste that URL there. All right, so you can see this is actually a URL number 1. I'm going to just go down again, come back to Google. All right, I'm going to get another URL for a different video downloading website. So let me look for another one here. Okay, this is actually, let me look for more. Okay, I've seen this one. I'm going to pick this one as well. Copy address, come over to my Google Docs. I'm going to paste that in there as well. You can see this is actually a URL as well. So I'm just going to go down. All right, remember I told you 4 to 5 different ones. So this is actually another one. I'm just going to copy this one as well, copy link address, come back here. I'm going to paste that in there. All right, so this is number 3. So let me just go two more to go. So let me just look for okay, this is actually another one. I'm just going to copy this one. You'll see the reason why I'm doing all of this right now. I'm going to paste this in here. All right, so we have 4 already, and now let me just go pick the last one. So let me just go pick the last one. Okay, this is actually the last one. So let me just copy this one here. All right, copy this one, and I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to put that here. All right, so you can see I have 5 different video downloading website URL. So what I'm going to do right now is just give this a title, or I can just give this a title like my video downloading website. I can be like my video downloading website URLs. All right, so this is actually the title I want to give to this document. I'm just going to bold in this. All right, I'm going to place this in the middle, so you can see you can actually do this too with your smartphone. It doesn't really matter. All right, you can do this with your smartphone. So I'm just going to bold in this a little bit. Okay, then maybe I can highlight this if I want to, so I can just change or highlight it to let's say yellow. All right, so this is actually looking good. So now that we've actually gotten some free URLs here on our Google Docs, all right, what I have to do right now is to come over to the share button, all right, and click on save. All right, when I click on the save button, what I want to do right now is to get the link to this Google Docs. All right, so I'm just going to come here and say anyone with the link. All right, for you it might be unrestricted, but I want you to make sure you put it on anyone with the link. So click on anyone with the link, and all you have to do is to click on the copy link. All right, and of course you've copied your Google Docs link. So that is that for that. So remember, I told you it can be for anything. Now let's go back to our CPA grip account to start making money for ourselves. So come back to your CPA grip account, and what you want to do is to come over to the monetization tools. All right, you can see the monetization tools. Click on the monetization tools and also click on the URL and file locker. Once you click on the URL and file locker, it's going to be bringing you over to this place where you can start locking some document, or you can start locking some URLs that if people want to actually access that, all right, they have to complete an offer. So it doesn't really matter the kind of offers they'll be giving, because CPA grip automatically is going to help you give those targeted people, or those people, the best offers for them to complete. So it's way more better than you picking an offer and promoting, because sometimes when you pick offers you might actually have restrictions, because if you're a Nigerian and maybe you're picking an offer and you're promoting to those guys in the US, you might not actually get good conversions. Why? Because your targeted people should be Nigerians. All right, but when you have the content local, automatically, this is something I've realized, CPA grip would actually give the people you're promoting to the best offer for them to complete, regardless of their country, regardless of their device, which is actually making you more money. So click on the monetization tools, come over to the URL and file lockers, and next thing you want to do is to click on create new URL locker. Very simple, and all you have to do is to check mark this bar that says I agree to the terms of service and click on the continue button. So once you are here on the continue button, all you have to do right now is for you to lock the document. Remember this document here that we actually did here, we want to lock this document so that when we start promoting, for people to actually have access to this document, they have to complete an offer. I'm going to be teaching you how to promote. All right, it's not something difficult. If you do this every single day, I tell you, you'll be making a whole lot of money for yourself. So let's just continue. All right, so what I have to do right now is, you can see where it says locked URL. Let me actually zoom this so that you guys can clearly see all of this. So you see where it says locked URL. What you want to do right now is to put in the Google Docs URL. So I'm just going to put in the Google Docs URL. You can see this is actually my Google Docs URL, and now you want to leave everything on default. All right, you want to leave everything on default. Why? Because I told you earlier that CPA grip automatically is going to be giving your audience or your customers the best offer, from their country and from the device that they are using. So all you have to do is just put in the URL you want to lock, or the file, or whatever thing you want to lock. All right, and leave the rest. All right, and everything else will be sorted out by CPA grip. So you can see we can actually change the template. So maybe you want to change the template, we can actually use this human verification template. This actually looks more better. All right, for them to have access to the docs that we are locking, all right, it has to bring up this human verification process, so that they have to verify that they are humans for them to be able to get access to the URL or to the document that we have locked. So very simple, that is that. All right, and the next thing we want to do is to click on the save button, and once you click on the save button, automatically your CPA offer URL will be generated for you. So let's just wait for it, all right, to save up. Let's go back to general and see what we're actually missing. Okay, we are missing nothing, everything is complete. So just click on the save button, and let's actually wait for it to get saved up. All right, I think the network is quite slow. Let's wait for it to get saved up. All right, so guys, you can see that our file has been created. You can see this is the new file that we have created. So what you want to do right now is to click on the get links button. All right, once you click on the get links button, automatically you'll be giving your own promotional link, so that you can start promoting this link, and when people click on this link, automatically it will be registered, and once they take an offer, all right, for them to get access to the document we have logged, once they click an offer or they take an offer, you would make money for yourself. So very simple, all we have to do is click on the copy link, and you can see we have already copied our CPA grip URL that we can start promoting to make money for ourselves. So now, how do you go about promoting? It is very, very simple. Remember, I told you this is a black hat method, all right? And for those of you who actually stay to this very, very moment, I told you if you do this every single day, you'll be making a whole lot of money for yourself. Now, what I want to do, or what I have been doing, is that I actually make use of freelancing sites like Fiverr, all right, to get traffic for myself. You're not paying anybody here, guys. You're not paying anybody here. Now, the reason why I actually asked you to actually close, or should I say actually search for video downloading website, is the reason is this, all right? I've actually realized that a lot of people here can actually help you design a website. So what I want to do is to find something like website designers, all right, on Fiverr, all right. Website designers, let me just search for website designer. Okay, website design, WordPress, it doesn't really matter depending on what you've logged. If you had actually searched for maybe picture downloaded website, or maybe you've searched for maybe anything, all right, you can come over to Fiverr and you can search for people who are willing to help you do that particular job. So me, I actually logged video downloading website because I'm actually looking for people who can help me design all this kind of website that I have here. And for them to actually have access to all this content here, all they have to do is to pick an offer, they promote the fulfill the offer, all right, do the offer, and I make money for myself. This is actually a black hat because you're going to be making use of people's effort to make money for yourself. So what I want to do is, you can see all these people who are here. I'm going to be messaging them every single day, all right, telling them that I want to build a website that is similar to all these ones. You can see that is similar to the ones that I have here, and if they don't mind, I can send them a template, or I can send them the kind of website I want to build. And once they ask me to send it to them, I'm going to be sending my CPA grip link, so that when they want to have access to the kind of website I want to build, because they believe I'll be paying them, right? So if they want to have access to the website I want to build, they would have to take offers, and once they take offers, guys, I make money for myself. So every single day, imagine you are doing this to every single day, and you are being paid $2 for every offer that is being taken. So imagine 10 people every single day. That is $20 for you. And if you can actually do it more, that you go for 30 people every single day, that is way more money for you. So what I do every day is I actually mention all these guys here. It can be anything. It can be maybe ebooks. It can be like you want to get people to help you write a book, and they'll tell you that, okay, do you have a sample, or do you have an idea of the kind of thing you want to do? All you have to do is to lock the idea that you have, is to lock that thing, all right, and for them to actually have access, for these freelancers to have access to it, all they have to do right now is that they take an offer for them to have access to whatever thing you want to share with them. So I'm going to be messaging this guy right now. I'm going to be telling him that I want to build a website, all right, and I have some particular website I want to build, all right, that I can send him some information about the website I want to build. And for him to have access to the information, all he has to do is that he takes an offer, all right. CPA Grip is going to share him an offer, and once he takes that offer, guys, I make money, and this guy will actually have access to the document that I have locked. So it's very, very simple. Remember, I told you this is a black hat method. If you know you can still carry on with it, of course you can do that. But if you feel it's not something you would love to do, all you have to do right now is to subscribe, alright? Because in my subsequent videos, I'm going to be teaching you way more methods on how to go about making money online, even the best ways to go about making money online, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I believe you actually found value, or you found great helpful content from this video. If you actually did that and you are here to hit the subscribe button, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also give this video you're watching a like, so I can be triggered to make more money. To make more videos on CPA marketing and how to go about making money online. So thank you so much, and until next time, bye.